So what exactly is centripetal force? Let's start by the definition. Centripetal force is a force that pulls a rotating object towards the center of what it's rotating around so that it doesn't fly away.
Any real-life examples?
Oh my gosh! This is Isa. As Isa jump ropes, there are centripetal forces causing the rope to circle over her head instead of falling down on it. The centripetal force pulls inwards towards the center of the mass, which in this case is the center of the jump rope, causing the rope to circle over Isa until she decreases her speed.
Scenario.
This is Susanna.
Susanna loves her friends, but not so much when they borrow her money and never pay her back.
Against me, every time I'm in the street, I hear
Now, what exactly does this have to do with physics? Let's break this assault down.
After collecting Susanna's arm length, which is our radius, the mass of the bucket in kilograms, and converting her 58 revolutions per minute into hertz, we plug this into our favorite equation, which is also equal to, and concluded that the force acting upon Susanna's bucket is equal to 13.79 newtons. So this force is what keeps the water inside of the bucket even when it's upside down. The bucket is upside down for such a short amount of time that the centripetal forces acting on it are so much stronger than the force of gravity that the water doesn't fall out of the bucket. And that's centripetal force. Centripetal force, 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 centripetal force, 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 force.
It's the force that makes all things go around, pushers in the air or a merry-go-round. Listen up close, time to get scientific, can never go wrong when you're dealing with centripetal.
F equals mv squared over r. It's the force you feel when you're turning in your car, when you're going on a chase, when you're screaming off your face.
Centripetal force that exists in outer space. Space.
Centripetal force, 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 centripetal force.